Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's lecture, we are going to do one coding exercises with respect to the pointers. We would like to write a program that defines a function to double the value of a variable using a pointer. Previously, we know how to do it using a call by reference. However, here we are going to do it directly with a pointer. To do that, first we are going to initialize one integer called x to be 10, and we are going to print its value before doing any modification. So we expect that it will print the value 10. Then we are going to call our function. So when we are calling the function, we are passing as the argument, we are passing the address of the variable x. How do we know that we are passing the address? Because we are having this and sign before the name of the variable. So let's go up. So here we see that the name of the function is double value. It's of void type, so it's not going to return anything. And as an argument, it is accepting pointers. So when we are passing the address, this function is going to have access to the memory address of where this variable x is stored, and it can also do modifications to the value of x itself. So what's going to do is that it is going to, whatever the value of that x is, showing this star PTR, is going to be multiplied by 2, and it is going to store here. So basically we learned that when we have something like this, we can also write it like this. So writing it like this is more advanced, but we can also see this equation with this line. So it's only your choice, but you're going to see this example more frequently. So basically, whatever the value of star PTR is, in this case, it is 10, because the address of the variable x, which is 10, is passed as the argument. So the star PTR is going to access the value of the variable itself. When it is PTR, it is going to have access to the address. When it is star PTR, it is going to have access to the value. So here we are having star PTR dereferencing the pointer. So the value of x is being multiplied by 2, and it is being stored in the x. So 10 times 2 means 20. So 20 is going to be stored in the different dereferencing the pointer, so in the PTR, star PTR, which means x. And when this function's work is finished, the execution of the code finishes this line and is going to the next line. So here we are saying after doubling the x. Let me just compile. Great. So as we discussed, 10 is assigned to x. We are printing x before doing any modification here. Then we are calling the function and passing the address of x as an argument. So when we have access to the address using a pointer, we can access to its address using the PTR or star PTR to have access to the value. In this case, we use the star PTR, so this means that we are having access to the variable x. Its value is 10, so 10 times 2 means 20. So 20 is assigned to a star PTR or x. So basically, this line is exactly like writing x times 2. So it means that we are having 10 times 2 equal x equals 20. Okay, so this is what it means. So we see that using a pointer, we can do some direct modification without having the call by reference here to any variables in a function outside of the main function. Thank you for watching.